Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Taji. I'm a certified digital asset advisor, educator, a trader, and a crypto entrepreneur. Today, for the first time in the Mena region, I'm bringing you Certified Digital Asset Advisor (Cdaa) course and workshops. By looking at the hyper adoption of cryptocurrencies or say virtual assets in the Mena region, especially among the new generation of entrepreneurs and investors, they are quite interested in the digital assets, Bitcoin, DeFi, and guess what? Metaverse makes the strongest demand of you as a crypto advisor. In this course, I'm going to walk you through Bitcoin, smart contracts, NFTs, Metaverse, DAOs. We will be also looking at the investment thesis, allocations, custody, security, regulation in the MENA region, so that you can help your clients with confidence. This is an international course being offered in US, Latin America, Europe, Turkey, and now for the first time in the MENA region. Upon completion of this course, you will receive 12 continuous education hours of CFP, and you will be fully eligible to apply for exam and get fully accredited Cdaa. You will be among the specialized professionals who are fully equipped and well versed in helping their client building their strategies in this asset class. So enroll yourself today by clicking in the description below, or you can visit our website PXDX.co. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more digital asset related content, especially in the MENA region. Thank you.